There we go. What I want you guys to do right quick, you look at this sheet paper right here. This is Batman Noel characters you need to know. We're actually going to worry about this side right quick. What I want you guys to do, there's two paragraphs. We're not going to worry about the bottom paragraph. You can cover up your hand if you want to. What I want y'all to do is go ahead and just take about 30 seconds right now and just read that top paragraph on your own. Go ahead and take a second right now and read that top paragraph on your own. Okay? Hopefully, by now you've read that top paragraph there. Hey, what key statement sticks out that's underlined, y'all? Yes, I'm going to go and highlight that. Y'all can do the same. One of the best ways to become a better writer and a better reader is to read stuff that may make you uncomfortable and may push you a little bit. When you think about it, though, if you're an athlete, what's the best way to get better as an athlete or get better at basketball is for someone to push you, okay? So that's why, it's good for the basketball team to play teams they know they can beat, but it's also good to play teams that may be able to beat you because it does what, y'all? It pushes you. Yes, it pushes you. Okay. The other thing that says what you may have in front of you is a great piece of writing in a format that you may not be completely at ease with. Okay. You may not be completely at ease with. And that's important sometimes too, because again, it pushes you. You don't need to read that bottom paragraph. It's just comma, sappy connection, Batman right there. But nobody cares about Mr. Bean. So y'all do me a favor and flip it over. You can read it later on. What we need to do is worry about this right here. So how many characters do we need to know, y'all? Now, how many? 4. Patrick says 4. Okay, if you look right here, I'll look at these names. Batman, the Joker, Superman, Catwoman. Oh my God, I know these names because they're all kind of ingrained in our pop culture already, right? I mean, Hunter's grandma, she's hip, she's cool, she probably knows who the Joker is, correct? She probably does because everyone knows who the Joker is, okay? David may be clueless about a lot of things, but he probably knows exactly who Superman is, right, David? All right, there we go. Fantastic. All 4 of these characters are completely ingrained in our pop culture. So, what we're going to do is this. We're going to start with Batman up here. Hopefully, you have your highlighter ready. What I want you to do right quick is take about 30 seconds. You're going to scan that paragraph. You don't need to read it word for word, just scan it. And when you see something that sounds important or you think it sounds important, all I want you to do is grab that nifty-difty highlighter and highlight for me. Does that make sense? Go ahead and take 30 seconds right now and scan that Batman paragraph for me. Scan that. All right, Trace, you read that paragraph about Batman. What's one thing to you that you think sounds important? All right, we're going to start off with half that statement. After a parent murdered from him at the age of 8, oh dear God, talk about traumatic stress right there. He watched his parents get killed, and then he decided the most logical thing to do would be dress up like a bat. Oh dear God, people don't talk about this enough. This man mentally sane. He's sane? You think so? He dresses up like a bat. Is he insane or sane? He is completely mentally insane. This is not normal behavior, y'all. Right? I don't know, but that's the thing. He is obviously mentally insane, correct? We don't talk about that when we talk about superheroes. These people are completely nuts. He watched his parents get killed in front of him, so the most logical thing he did was dress up like a bat to fight crime. This guy is bonkers, right? Right? He's got to be. He's got to be. Okay, Brent, what's one thing that you think sounds important? He's got a teenage partner. By the name of what? Rob. All right, so we got a teenage partner by the name of Robin. He's had various teenage partners take that role. Okay, Hunter, what you got, sir? The weight of the. No, keep going. The weight of the guilt. Jason's death continues to bear down on Batman. All right, so we got a young man by the name Jason Todd who was murdered by who, y'all? By the Joker. So we got one of the Robins was killed by the Joker, and that continues to weigh down on Batman's consciousness. That's good. Okay. I mean, it's not good that happened. It's very sick and twisted right there that the Joker will kill a teenager, but that we've got the way of the Jason's death that continues to bear down Batman's consciences. What else sounds important, y'all? Right here, Patrick. Excellent. Assisting his war on crime is Alfred, the Wayne family butler. Fantastic. Anything else? I see two more things we should definitely highlight. Patrick thinks he has one. All right. Well, we kind of assumed that already, but I see two big things. One is right here. What's that say, y'all? World's greatest detective. All right. Not so much a crime fighter or a superhero as he is a detective. Okay. What's the other thing? I'll give you a hint. It's on this line right here. Nope. We already said double is not that important. Yes, Patrick. He tends to be a loner and push people away. There we go. Tends to be a loner and push people away. Okay. Everybody know somebody that tends to be a loner and push people away? I mean, my dad sleeps in it. Oh, well. Okay. That was kind of interesting. I was thinking more about people that just reject people altogether. Okay. All right. So we got that done. That wasn't so hard, right? I mean, none of y'all are bleeding from the ears. Nobody's crying right now. So we got that done out of the way. So, hey, now we're going to put the control in your hands. Which one are we going to do next? The Joker, Catwoman, or Superman? You get to pick. Superman, y'all jump down to Superman. Y'all go ahead and take about 30 seconds right now and scan that paragraph about Superman. If it sounds important, what are we going to do, y'all? We're going to highlight it, okay? We're going to highlight. Go ahead and take 30 seconds right now. So if we read about Superman, all we had to do was scan that paragraph right quick. Blake, what's one thing you read that you think sounds important about Superman? Yes. That's one we read. Keep going. Excellent, awesome. So he's raised by a early couple that teaches him to be honest, dignified, and respectful. Man, those are our defining traits. Okay, we'll come back to that idea in just a second. Zach, what else you got, sir? There's nothing else in that paragraph. Hey, whoa, nothing else in that paragraph you thought sounded important. Okay, keep looking. We'll come back to you, Hayden. All right, so he possesses a wealth of powers that make him practically indestructible. That's nice to know. Patrick. Ooh, yes, look at this. While Batman uses the shadows and darkness tonight to create a fear in the hearts of the criminals of Gotham, Superman acts as a light, a symbol of hope for people to look for. That's interesting right there, because Batman kind of represents the darkness, Superman represents the light. Zach, you found anything yet? I take that as a no. Brian, what you got? It compares five and white and blue and red, Superman morally balanced. Yes, morally balanced. Aiming to always do the right thing. That is key right there. Superman is morally balanced. Yes, it says Batman tends to rely on his viciousness and brutality, the borderlands of black and white. Situation, different shades of gray. Y'all missing the key key word in the. It's literally the second word in that paragraph. What you got, sir? What you got, Trace? He's an alien. Oh dear God, the man is an alien. He's an alien who's been raised by a couple of farmers to do the right thing. If that's not the weirdest sentence you ever read, I don't know what weird is. He's an alien that's been raised to do the right thing. He is morally balanced. He always wants to do the right thing. He's an alien, though. You would think of all the people, it would be the human that wants to be morally balanced, but the human tends to rely on doing things with viciousness and brutality, and this alien, who's been raised with honesty, dignity, and respect, wants to do the right thing. Wow. So they're kind of like a yin-yang symbol, right? Okay, Batman kind of represents the darkness, and he's trying to do good, but he does it through brutality and viciousness, where Superman is like morally balanced, okay? There we go. All right, so, Zaya, what are we going to do next, Catwoman or the Joker? The Joker, all right, so, y'all do me a favor. Remember, do you need to read it word for word, y'all? No, what are we working on? Scanning. We're going to scan that paragraph, y'all. Scan that paragraph. Go ahead and take 30 seconds right now. Miss Zaya, we got the Joker. What's one thing you read about the Joker that you think sounds important? He refuses to kill Batman, for he sees himself as the evil balance Gotham needs for a hero like Batman to exist. So even though he likes to torture Batman, he's not going to kill him. He doesn't want to kill Batman, okay? Zach, I told you I was going to come after you next. What you got? Dear God, what a sadistic person. He considers his greatest accomplishment is murdering a teenager. Oh, dear God, are we dealing with a mentally sane person? No, this is bananas right here. David, I said I'd come after you third. So what you got? Clown Prince of Crime. All right, cool. There's the thing now. What you got, Hayden? All right, so he finds it enjoyable. Okay, he likes causing destruction. Patrick, what you got? Fascinated with Batman. All right, he's fascinated with Batman. So we know based on that he's fascinated with Batman. He loves to cause terror and destruction for no reason. We know his nickname. We know that he won't kill Batman, but he considers killing Robin his greatest accomplishment because of the emotional weight and damage it's done to Batman. What you got, Trace? All right. So tries to find new ways to push the Dark Knight to his mental and physical limits. We'll holler that mental and physical limits. Okay. Fantastic. So the only one we got left is Catwoman. So y'all take a moment right now. Let's scan that Catwoman paragraph. I'm gonna come after we'll come after Trace first, and we'll come after Patrick second. We'll go from there, okay? I'll make this quick. So what you got? Ooh, checkered romantic history all with Batman, okay? What's checkered romantic history mean, y'all? Mix, like on again, off again, on again, off again, on again, off again, on again, off again. Odds are you know somebody like that, or you've been through that. I mean, that's how Hunter and his love life with Beyonce is. It's on again, off again, right? He's like, you don't want to talk about it, though. It's very upsetting. I'm just messing with you, okay? So we know he's on again, off again with Catwoman. Hayden, what you got, sir? Fantastic. So criminal career, what? So pretty much when you have a criminal career, it means you're doing it for a long time, like you're in it for the long haul. Career or something that lasts a while. Zaya, what you got? Ooh, yes. So it says that Catwoman has flirted with the good side of the law, okay? But he never knows if he's going to be like good side of Catwoman or crazy side of Catwoman, okay? That's not a good combination right there. Like if you have a girlfriend and you never know if she's going to be crazy one day or normal the next, that's not a healthy relationship. Real quick, what you got, Patrick? Yeah, we got that. We got that. Okay, fantastic. So that's where that video is going to end.